Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of muscle cars, classics, and everything in between. Today, we're talking about something that's got the automotive world buzzing, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. That's right. The legendary bird is making a comeback after years in the shadows, blending that iconic retro vibe with cutting-edge modern tech. If you're a fan of American muscle, this one's for you. Pontiac may have been dormant since GM shut it down back in 2010, but rumors and concepts have kept the dream alive, and now, with whispers of a revival through independent builders or even a potential GM nod, the 2026 model is shaping up to be a beast that honors its heritage while pushing boundaries. Imagine the thrill of the original 70s Trans Am, but supercharged for today's roads. We'll cover everything from its stunning looks to how it handles, what it'll cost you, and whether it's worth adding to your garage. Stick around, hit that like button if you're excited. And let's jump right in, starting with the outside. This car screams presence from every angle, and the front end is where it all begins. Picture this, a bold, aggressive fascia that's a nod to the classic Firebird designs, complete with that massive screaming chicken decal sprawling across the hood like it's ready to take flight. The hood itself is sculpted with functional vents that not only look mean, but actually help cool the monster under there. Up front, you've got slim LED headlights that give it a predatory squint, integrated into a wide grille that's blacked out for that stealthy vibe, flanked by massive air intakes that feed the engine and brakes. The bumper is low and wide with splitter elements that enhance aerodynamics and fog lights tucked in neatly. It's got that retro pop-up headlight feel reimagined with modern projectors that pop up only when needed for high beams, adding a cool theatrical element. The whole front profile is wider than previous concepts, sitting on a stance that's about 78 inches across, making it look planted and ready to pounce. Colors, expect classics like Bandit Black or Firebird Red, but with metallic flakes that shimmer under sunlight. Walking up to it, you can't help but feel the nostalgia hit, yet it's fresh enough to turn heads at any car show, moving along to the side. The profile is where the Trans Am's muscle really flexes. This thing has those long, flowing lines that echo the 4th-gen Firebirds from the 90s and early 2000s, but stretched out over a 112-inch wheelbase for better stability. The doors are frameless, giving it a sleek coupe feel, and the side mirrors are aerodynamic pods with integrated turn signals and cameras for blind spot monitoring. You'll notice the iconic T-top roof panels, removable for that open-air experience without going full convertible, and they're made from lightweight composite materials to keep the weight down. Fender flares are pronounced, housing massive 20-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Think 275s up front and 305s in the rear for grip that sticks like glue. The side skirts are sculpted to channel air efficiently, reducing drag, and their subtle badging with Trans Am script in chrome that catches the light just right. From this view, the rake of the windshield and the sloping roofline give it a fastback silhouette that's both elegant and intimidating, with a hint of spoiler tease at the back. It's balanced, not too bulky, but you know there's power lurking beneath those curves. Now, flipping to the rear, the back end is all about attitude and functionality. The taillights are full-width LED strips that wrap around the corners, paying homage to the original sequential turn signals from the classics. They light up in a chasing pattern that's just mesmerizing to watch. The rear bumper is beefy, with quad exhaust tips poking out, chrome-tipped and ready to roar. There's a diffuser down low that helps with downforce, and above it, a subtle ducktail spoiler that integrates seamlessly into the trunk lid. The trunk itself is spacious enough for weekend getaways, but the real star is the overall width back here, emphasizing that wide track stance. Badging is prominent with the Pontiac Arrowhead emblem glowing under brake lights, and optional stripes run from nose to tail for that full Bandit package. In motion, the rear view is commanding, with those wide hips making it look like it's hugging the road. Overall, the exterior design masterfully blends 70s flair with 2020s tech, using lightweight materials like carbon fiber accents to keep the curb weight around 3,800 pounds, which is impressive for a muscle car this size. Shifting gears inside, the interior of the 2026 Firebird Trans Am is a cockpit that's equal parts luxury and performance-focused. Slide into the driver's seat and you're greeted by bolstered leather buckets with heating, cooling and massage functions perfect for long cruises. The materials are premium, soft-touch surfaces everywhere, Alcantara on the headliner, and carbon fiber trim on the dash and doors. The steering wheel is thick-rimmed, wrapped in perforated leather, with paddle shifters and controls for everything from audio to adaptive cruise. Behind it, a digital gauge cluster that's fully customizable switch between classic analog looks or modern data readouts showing boost levels, downforces and lap times. The center stack houses a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the latest GM software, if it's a GM-backed build, or a custom Android Auto Apple CarPlay setup. It's intuitive with voice commands that actually work, and a premium audio system, maybe a 12-speaker Bose setup pumping out crystal clear sound. Rear seats? They're there, but more for occasional use, folding down for extra cargo space up to 30 cubic feet. Tech-wise, you've got wireless charging, heads-up display projecting speed and nav onto the windshield, and a 360-degree camera system for parking this wide boy. Ambient lighting lets you set the mood with colors that match the exterior, and the overall ergonomics put everything within easy reach. It's not just a car, it's a mobile command center that feels upscale without losing that raw muscle car soul when it comes to performance. Oh, man, this is where the 2026 Trans Am truly shines and lives up to its legendary name. Under the hood, rumors point to a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, borrowed from Corvette lineage but tuned for Trans Am duty, cranking out over 700 horsepower and around 650 pound-feet of torque. Some specs floating around suggest a 667 HP variant with a hybrid assist for that extra punch and better efficiency, potentially hitting 060 in under 3.5 seconds and a quarter mile in the low 11s. Transmission options include a 10-speed automatic that's smooth as butter or a 6-speed manual for purists who want to row their own gears. Handling is dialed in with magnetic ride control suspension that adapts on the fly stiff for track days, compliant for highways. Brakes are massive Brembo units, 6-piston fronts clamping on 15-inch rotors, stopping this beast from 60 in about 100 feet. All-wheel drive might be an option for better traction, but rear-wheel drive is standard for that classic burnout fun. Fuel economy? Expect around 15 mpg city and 25 highway, not bad for the power, thanks to cylinder deactivation and that potential hybrid tech. On the road, it feels a live throttle response is immediate. The exhaust note is a deep rumble that turns heads, and cornering is surprisingly agile for its size, with minimal body roll. Whether you're blasting down a straightaway or carving canyons, this car delivers thrills that few can match. As for pricing, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is positioned as a premium muscle car, but accessible for enthusiasts. Base models are speculated to start around $55,000. Which gets you the core V8 power, standard features like the digital dash and performance suspension. Step up to mid-trim levels, say around $65,000, and you add luxuries like the premium audio, adaptive headlights, and carbon fiber accents. For the top spec supercharged or hybrid variants pushing that 700 horsepower mark, you're looking at $75,000 to $85,000, including options like the T-top roof, upgraded wheels, and track packages with better cooling and tires. Factor in destination fees and any custom builds, since some are coming from aftermarket specialists like Trans Am Specialties in Florida, and you could push into 6 figures for fully loaded examples. Compared to rivals like the Mustang GT or Challenger Hellcat, it's competitively priced, offering more heritage and exclusivity. Keep in mind, these are based on current rumors and concepts. Actual prices could vary if it goes into full production, but it's a solid value for what you get in power and style. If you're thinking about getting one, here are some suggestions to make the most of it. First off, go for the manual transmission if you can. Nothing beats the engagement of shifting yourself in a car like this. Opt for the performance package with the bigger brakes and stickier tires. It'll transform it from street cruiser to weekend track star. Color-wise, stick with the classics like black or red to channel that Bandit spirit and add the stripe kit for authenticity. For daily driving, the hybrid option could save on gas without sacrificing fun, especially if you're in stop-and-go traffic. Maintenance-wise, budget for premium fuel and regular tire rotations. These beasts chew through rubber. If you're customizing, look into aftermarket exhaust for an even throatier sound, but check warranty implications. Overall, this car is ideal for someone who wants a blend of nostalgia and modernity. It's not for the faint of heart, but if you love American muscle, it'll reward you every drive. Just be prepared for the attention. It'll draw crowds wherever you park. Wrapping this up, the 2026 Pontiac